is capsules. Okay, capsule is what? They are solid dosage form of medicament in which drug is enclosed inside a gelatin shell. Okay, so which drugs are enclosed in a gelatin shell? The drugs which are bitter to taste, they are having unpleasant odor, can be administered by enclosing them inside a water soluble shell or inside a tasteless shell. So they are smooth. Advantage is what? They are smooth, they are slippery, they are economic, and they can be handled easily. Okay, so the bitter, obnoxious odor or taste bitter drugs can be enclosed inside a water soluble shell. It is called as what? Capsule. So there are two types of capsules, that are what? Hard and soft gelatin capsule, depending on their composition. Okay, gelatin, type A gelatin and type B gelatin. So type A gelatin, how it is manufactured? It is manufactured mainly from pork skin, and type B is manufactured mainly from animal bones. So two types of gelatins are there. Okay, that are what? Type A and type B. Type A is obtained from what? They are obtained from pork skin, and type B is obtained from bones, from the animal bones. Of hard gelatin capsule, they are solid dosage form of medicament in which drug is enclosed within the shell made up of gelatin. Okay, so they are what? They are solid dosage form in which drug is enclosed inside a gelatin shell. The capsule shell. These capsules are made up of gelatin blends, small amount of certified dye, opacants, plasticizers, and preservatives. So inside capsule shell, what are there? There are gelatin. Okay, certified dyes. Dyes means what? Color. Okay, opacants, opacifier agent. Next is plasticizers and preservatives are there inside a gelatin shell. So parts of capsule, there are in hard gelatin capsule there are two parts, that is body and cap. Okay, cap and body. Next is soft gelatin capsule. Okay, so in your syllabus what is given? Hard gelatin capsule and soft gelatin capsule. So we have studied that in hard gelatin capsule there are two parts, that is what? Body and cap. Okay, it is prepared from the gelatin shell. Type A gelatin, type B gelatin. Type A gelatin is prepared from what? Pork skin of animals. And type B gelatin is prepared from what? They are prepared from the bones of animals. Okay, now we are going to study about a soft gelatin capsule. So what is the definition of soft gelatin capsule? Soft gelatin capsule are one piece. That is, in hard gelatin capsule, it was having two pieces, that is body and cap. But soft gelatin capsule has only single unit, that is hermetically sealed. Soft gelatin shells contain liquid, suspension or a semi-solid. So inside it, what we are filling in a soft gelatin capsule? Liquids. Okay, and in hard gelatin capsule we are filling what? Solids. Okay, here what is filled in a soft gelatin capsule? Liquid, suspension and a semi-solid. Okay, and it is a single unit or it is only one piece. Okay, soft gelatin is mainly composed of gelatin. What it has? Soft gelatin. It has the components of soft gelatin are gelatin, plasticizers, preservatives, coloring and opacifying agent, flavoring agents and sugar. Okay, sugars are there, flavoring agents are there, opacifying agent, coloring agent and preservative is there inside a soft gelatin capsule. Okay, applications of soft gelatin capsule. The pharmaceutical application of soft gelatin capsule are as an oral dosage form. Okay, we are giving it as a orally we can give soft gelatin capsule. Suppository also prepared as a specialty packaged tube form for human and veterinary use. Single dose application for topical, ophthalmic and rectal ointments. So topical ointments are there. Okay, rectal ointments are there and ophthalmic ointments are also prepared. Okay, in the form of soft gelatin capsules. Okay, nature of capsule shell. What are there in the capsule shell? Gelatin is there, water, opacifying agent, plasticizer, preservatives. All these is there inside a capsule shell. Okay. Next. Advantages of capsules for oral administration. Easy to swallow due to their smooth and slippery nature. Easy to handle and carry. So we can swallow the capsule easily because they are smooth. Okay. We can handle and carry it easily. Can mask the unpleasant taste and odor of drug using tasteless shell. So if there is unpleasant or odor of that drug, we can mask the taste by enclosing it inside a capsule shell. Okay, more stable and have longer half-life than liquid dosage form. So these that are more stable and it has a longer half-life than liquid preparations. Okay, so better bioavailability than tablets and faster onset of action. So bioavailability is better. Bioavailability means the concentration or percentage of drug reaching the systemic circulation or amount of drug which reaches the systemic circulation is what bioavailability. Okay, so bioavailability of tablet is not as much as that capsules are having. Okay, and onset of action of capsule is what fast. So the shells are physiologically inert and easily and quickly digested in the gastrointestinal tract. So the shells are inert and we can digest it inside the gastrointestinal tract easily. So the shells can be opacified with the help of a titanium dioxide. Opacifying agent which is used in the shells are titanium dioxide or color to give protection from light. We are giving it a color to protect it from light. Disadvantages of capsule. So drugs which are hygroscopic absorb water from the capsule shell, making it brittle and hence are not suitable for filling into capsules. So hygroscopic drugs which absorb what? Water, that we are not enclosing inside a capsule shell because it makes the capsule shell brittle. Okay. Aqueous or hydroalcoholic liquids cannot be enclosed in capsule because they dissolve gelatin. So what? Aqueous or alcoholic liquids or hydroalcoholic liquids cannot be enclosed in a capsule shell. We cannot enclose the alcoholic or liquid or aqueous liquids inside a capsule shell because they dissolve the gelatin. Next, capsules should not be used for packaging of highly water soluble material. So capsules should not be used for packaging of highly water soluble material such as ammonium chloride. Okay, ammonium chloride cannot be enclosed inside a capsule shell because they are highly water soluble. Potassium bromide, potassium chloride, etc. Because sudden release of such compounds can cause irritation in the stomach. So these substances may cause irritation inside the stomach. So we are not enclosing inside the capsule shell. So capsule size, it is very important. So for human use, empty capsule ranging in size from 000 to 5. So 000 is the largest size, okay, of the capsule, and smallest size is what? 5. It is very important. Remember, for human use, empty capsules ranging in size from 000. Largest size of capsule is what? 000. And smallest size of capsule is what? 5. म्हणजे जेवढा मोठा नंबर तेवढा त्याची साइज कमी कॅप्सूल साइज मध्ये लक्षात घ्या आणि जेवढा छोटा नंबर तेवढा त्याची कॅप्सूल साइज कशी असते मोठी. ओके, सी 000 00 0 1 2 3 4 5. These are what? Capsule sizes, and 000 is the largest capsule and 5 is the smallest capsule. Okay, now this we will have to remember, that is size of capsule. in terms of ml and in terms of drug. Now in ml volume, in ml means this first table is for soft gelatin capsule and second table is for hard gelatin capsule. As in hard gelatin capsule we are enclosing solids, okay, and in soft gelatin capsule what we are enclosing? Liquids. So the quantity which is to be filled, it will be in ml, and the quantity for hard gelatin capsule, it will be in the grams. So this table you have to remember because these questions can be asked over on it. Okay, so size, that is 000. It is what? Largest size. So volume, how much we will enclose in this size? That is 1.37 ml. Okay. Next, for hard gelatin capsule in mg, how much we will enclose? 950 what? Mg, milligrams. It will be in milligrams. Next, 00, that is next size is 00. How much volume we will enclose inside it? In soft gelatin capsule 0.95 ml and in hard gelatin capsule 650 mg. Next, 0.68 for soft gelatin capsule and 450 mg for hard gelatin capsule. Next is size 1, that is 0.50 for soft gelatin capsule and 300 mg for hard gelatin capsule. Next is 2 size in ml, 0.37 ml in soft gelatin capsule and 250 mg in hard gelatin capsule. 3.30 in ml in soft gelatin capsule and 200 mg in hard gelatin capsule. For size 4, 0.21 for soft gelatin capsule and 150 mg for hard gelatin capsule. Next is 5.15 for soft gelatin capsule and content of drug in hard gelatin capsule for number 5. Capsule number 5 will be how much? 100. सगळ्यात लहान साइज किती होती? 100 ची. ओके, सगळ्यात स्मॉल साइज किती आहे? 100. त्याच्यामध्ये डिफरन्स किती आहे? 50 चा 150. परत डिफरन्स किती आहे? 50 200. परत डिफरन्स किती आहे? 250. परत डिफरन्स किती आहे? 50. इथे फक्त इथे काय झालंय? चेंज झालं. 1 पर्यंत लक्षात कसं घ्यायचं की 100 पासून सुरू करायचं आणि इथपर्यंत थांबलो तर किती डिफरन्स असणार आहे? 1 पर्यंत 50 चा डिफरन्स. ओके, नंतर इथे डिफरन्स किती आहे? 150. इथे कितीचा डिफरन्स आहे? 200. ओके, 150 इथे डिफरन्स 200 आणि इथे किती आहे? 300. मग इथून फक्त आपल्याला लक्षात घ्यायचं गोष्ट आहे की 0 ला इथे चेंज झाला 150, परत त्याच्यात 50 ऍड केले, मग इथे चेंज झाला 250 नी आणि इकडे चेंज झाला सॉरी इथे चेंज झाला 200 नी आणि इथे चेंज झाला 300. असं तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या फॉर ग्रॅम्स. ओके, कंटेंट टू बी ऍडेड इन सॉरी mg, that is in hard gelatin capsule. किती एनक्लोज करायचं ड्रग? 5 मध्ये किती, 4 मध्ये किती, 3 मध्ये किती, 2 1 ओके, 0 00 000. सगळ्यात मोठा काय आहे? 000. सगळ्यात लहान कोणता आहे? 5. ओके, मग 5 चं लक्षात ठेवायचं. सगळ्यात लहान क्वांटिटी किती आहे? 100 mg. ओके, इन हार्ड जिलेटिन. कुठं? हार्ड जिलेटिन कॅप्सूल मध्ये. ओके, मग नंतर 4 किती? 150. नंतर 3 200. नंतर 250. नंतर 1 ला 300. तर 150 चा डिफरन्स 450. नंतर 200 चा डिफरन्स किती? 650. नंतर 300 चा डिफरन्स किती? 5 ला 950. सगळ्यात जास्त जी कॅप्सूल आहे मोठी 000, तिचं कंटेंट किती असणार आहे? ड्रग किती असणार आहे त्याच्यामध्ये? 950. ओके, सगळ्यात लहान कॅप्सूल आहे तिच्यामध्ये ड्रग किती असणार आहे? 100 mg. पण हे कशासाठी? हार्ड जिलेटिन कॅप्सूल साठी. आता सॉफ्ट जिलेटिन कॅप्सूलचं बघू. पॉज केले